Meaning of distributional.
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 Distributional. In the context of statistics and data analysis, the term distributional refers to the characteristics and properties of a set of data or variable with regard to its distribution or spread. A distributional analysis involves examining and describing the shape, center, and variability of the data using techniques such as histograms, probability density functions, and measures such as mean and standard deviation. By understanding the distribution of a dataset, we can draw useful insights and make informed decisions based on the data.